Welcome to the Service Clinic at Low Country Harley-Davidson. I'm Doc Harley. This video is an update because I needed to correct myself on the video that I talked about replacing the rubber front motor mount isolators. I was concentrated on the right side of the motorcycle, and I told you all you had to do to replace that. Well, when us techs got together and started talking about it, hey, if the right side's going bad, you might as well replace the left side because one is really stressing out the left side. So I went to the left side, and this is where I need to correct myself. In the previous video, I talked about how I saw on YouTube people had taken the time and dropped this mount that goes in between the two isolators. Well, if you're going to replace the left-hand side, you have to drop this. What's it take? Well, there's a 9/16 bolt that's from underneath that comes up and a 9/16 nut. You undo both of these. Now, I took the time and took the oil filter out so I could get to the two nuts on here real easily with a long 9/16 wrench, and then undid these. Now, this was a struggle to get out because there is nothing holding this in but the Allen. Once you take the Allen out, but this wants to stay. So it took a lot of wiggling backwards and forward, side to side, and sometimes hitting this side with a little rubber mallet just to get it to move a little bit so then it would pop out. The old one is still inside, and all I got to do is push that out. But I wanted to correct myself. I was so narrow-minded on replacing just the right side, I didn't look at what possibilities you guys might do if you're going to do both of them. And right now, I would suggest you do both when one goes out. So one isn't new and one isn't old. Both of them are brand new. So I just wanted to correct myself. If you guys are out there and thinking about doing the rubber isolators, you're going to have to drop this piece. And that's why you have the engine and the oil pan all jacked up. So it's holding everything in place. And in fact, I had to jack the front one up just a little bit more so I could do more wiggling to get this out. When it all goes back together, this goes in the left side first, this goes against it, up, put a couple of nuts, and then put the other side in, and you should be able to do it. Follow your factory service manual on installation and removal. And you have to remove this when you are doing both isolators. Just wanted to correct myself and give you guys the best information that I can. I'm Doc Harley. We'll see you next week.